actually bigger than the way that it looks on Zoom.
Really? Well, that's good. I just do surgery. Today we're going to go to the new space and meet up with Karen Bond. She's our interior designer and she flew all the way from Canada to be here to see the space now that the framing is almost done, and I'm really excited to see her today. We're pretty much done with plumbing and electrical, and now we're about to start the installation of the HVAC, which is like the air conditioning system and all that. And we're going to, like I said earlier, meet up with Karen Bond, our designer. So let's see how that goes.
Well, nice to meet you in person. Nice
Come
to
on
see
up.
you.
Likewise.
We'll be good.
Yeah.
Right on.
All right, welcome.
This is it. No, this is great. This is great. Where do you want to start?
We were going to run through the electrical because that's something that is pretty much done, but we just wanted to make sure.
You know what? It's funny. It's actually bigger than the way that it looks on Zoom.
Really?
Yes.
Really? But that's good.
And here.
Would be like a grill over here.
We do want to take it right to here. Just to here.
Yeah.
And then start it kind of like here. But it's really narrow here. Like we kind of fade the depth.
Really? You want to do it like that?
I know, it's a tricky detail. And this is the paint sample. It's just a small sample.
Okay.
But for the reception, bow work, it's like a German paint, but it has almost like a textured finish to it. Like it's not doesn't look quite like plaster.
So it's not gonna be like lime wash?
Kind of. It is kind of line wash. The LEDs.
Yeah, they give enough light.
They're gonna. I think we're gonna have enough light. No
Yeah.
yellow,
No,
no
no,
green,
no.
not too pink, can't be too blue.
This
We have a
one.
very narrow palette that we're working with here.
Yeah. He just drove up from Florida. When did you get here from Florida?
8 morning.
Drive.
Yeah. You don't like the fly?
No, maybe.
I used to really hate flying. I've gotten a little bit better. But
This room, the ceiling is...
Second level, you wanna be onyx.
That would be onyx, yeah.
And this.
countertops.
So you can see.
Yeah, the plexiglass. Yeah. Yeah, I think we keep the Corian for this room. Yeah.
He's gonna build like a cabinet here, like
Yeah.
an 8-inch cabinet on both sides.
Small
Yeah.
cabinet, this you can move.
Like a pantry, like a small...
Оно уже так придумано, что оно не будет мешать.
Counter here as well. So yeah, but that might be a nice also matchup. So you have like counter.
This is not even... This is not, this is the second one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once we go through all this.
Yeah, it's fine. All right. That's
Yeah. We have a little bit of time though.
Спасибо.
We expect to move into the new space around September or October of this year. And I think what I'm looking forward to most is just being able to have a really nice custom design and a space that feels like it's a reflection of the practice and the attention to quality and just the attention on all the details, all the little things that we do in surgery. And I want that reflected in the overall space.